friends, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to see clocks topic part 4. So before starting our session, we have a quick recap what we have done until this in this topic. Okay. So in this topic, we have learned in 3 parts. So that is commanded. So I have discussed what is clock for you, and I told you there are two types of clocks: digital and analog clocks. So in most of the examination, the questions all come under analog type questions only. So I discussed in that manner. So we do have generally minute hand, hour hand, and second hand in this kind of topic. So I explained you what is a mirror image. So I explained you by taking different examples on this mirror image. So in this mirror image, we have actual time plus reflected time is always equal to 12. Okay. And I taken one simple examples and I told you in a very easy way. So if you missed this topic, I'm giving this link in the description and go and visit that video. Okay. So in the second part, I told you about water image. So mirror image and water image are two different topics that comes under clock. Okay, clocks topic. So in water image also, there is a certain kind of procedure we need to follow in order to crack our solution. Okay. So in water image also, the actual time plus reflected time is equal to 630. Okay. So this is the procedure, and I explained you by taking different examples. So if you miss this video also, I'm giving this link in the description as well. Go and visit that. And this is the part 3 on clocks. I explained you like how many times did minute hand and hour hand will meet each other or overlap or coincide. These 3 conditions I discussed on part 3 of the video. So if you missed that video, do visit and don't miss anything. Okay.
I hope you got some clarity on clocks topic until now. So let's discuss the fourth and final episode on clocks. So let's start our session.
Part 4 regarding like the angle. So the main question is like, this is the exact question. Okay. If a clock started at noon, then the angle turned by our end at 3:40 is. So they're asking very simple. When a clock started at in noon, then the angle turned by that hour end at 3:40 p.m. is, they're asking. So this is very simple question. Most of them like follow some traditional method and all, and they make things very complicated. So I'm telling you very simple trick. One simple formula, if you remember, then the angle. So in order to like angle finding is very easy in this clock topic. Okay. So do remember this trick. It is very useful and handy for you in any competitive exam or placement test. Trust me. Okay. So in order to deal with this such type of questions, you need to follow a simple procedure. So that procedure is nothing but just substitute as it is what they given. So just remember this procedure. So you need to remember this some formulae, that is nothing but theta is equal to 11 by 2 minutes. Okay, 11 by 2 minutes minus 30 hours. So this is the simple formula we need to remember before attending these kind of questions. Okay. So what they asked in the question, I'm telling again. If a clock started at noon, then the angle turned by our end at 3:40 is. They're asking very simply. Okay. So substitute as this. So in this 3:40 p.m., we all know that 3 is the hour hand number and 40 is the minute hand number. So simply substitute as it is what they given in the question. Okay. So we'll get the easy answer as theta is equal to 11 by 2 minus minutes, 40 minutes they given, minus 30 hours, so 3 they given. So 11 2 exactly 20 times of 40. So 30 into 3 is going to be 90. So here 220 minus 90, 220 minus 90 is going to be 30 degrees. So see friends how easy it was. So if you substitute as it is what they given in this formula, so finding angle between minute hand and hour hand is very easy. Okay. So what I told you in this part 4 video. So this is the angle concept. So if the question asked in any kind of examination, what is the angle between minute hand and hour hand at any time period, it is going to be. Okay. So the answer is very simple. You need to substitute as it is what they given in the question itself. Okay. So you need to remember this formula 11 by 2 minutes minus 30 hours. Simple substitution and you got the angle what you want. So if you understood this simple topic what I explained to you in this session, so do this question as your homework. So what they are saying in the question, I'm reading question for you. If a clock started at morning, then the angle turned by hour end at 5:15 a.m. is. So this is the question they are asking. So I hope you got this scenario what I explained you in this. So do as it is, take this formula, substitute, mark it as an answer. So that is the very simple trick I'm going to give you in this session. I hope you all understood what I told in the this clocks series. So like if you want like any other topic from clocks, do comment me, I'll make a video on that. Okay, I hope I covered all the topics on the clock. Thank you.